We got the 2020 Hellcat. It ain't a wide body, you wide body bitch, but still dope. All right, let's take a look. We basically just straight piped it today, guys. We took off these mid mufflers, got them out of and the rear mufflers. Look at this shitty day. Look at this weather. What do you guys think of this weather? It's disgusting over here in Florida. Tomorrow it's gonna be bright and sunny. We're gonna be on the beach, pulling girls. Just kidding, I'm engaged. Babe, I love you. The customer decided to go with the stock tips over here, and that's pretty much it. So we're gonna bring it down and let you guys hear it. I think he just bought this car. Great first mod to get. Also, remember, we're franchising, so if you want to own a business, make some money, it's a great opportunity, great profit margins. You'll probably pay off the franchise fee within the first year. Visit gexhaust.com for more details. All right, let's hear this.